So hey guys, this is Vinay and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to make a bottom sheet. This bottom sheet is a customized bottom sheet in which you will be able to give a large size to medium size to short size and a customized size. Also you will be able to give a customized width and a corner radius. So I will tell you everything about customized bottom sheet. So let's get started. So first of all we will take a variable which is a bool variable. So this variable is bottom sheet visible. So this will be a bool variable and we will initialize is by false. Next we in body section we will take a vstake and I take a text. If you don't want to take text, then you will be use a button. So in text I write that bottom sheet. Okay, let's decorate the text by font. I will give the font size word large title. Okay, and we will make it a bold. Okay, so we will show the bottom sheet on vstake. So type here that sheet is presented. Okay, so initialize this variable on this convert in binding. Okay, so how we will convert a normal variable into binding by dollar signature. Okay, is bottom sheet visible? This will automatically check that the condition is true or false. In the content section we type and text, and in text section we will write that hi there, I am here. Okay. Okay, I also decorate the text section by bold, and by font I will give it a caption too. Okay, so in this that's time to show this sheet. Okay, so how will we show the sheet? By on tab gesture we will true the condition of bottom sheet. So how will we do this? By on tab gesture on this button. Okay, so is bottom sheet visible? Yes, this is visible. So we will true the condition. If this condition true, that this will automatically true, and in the binding section if the condition is true, then sheet will be represented. Okay, so we will do as toggle in at first time it will false and it will toggle, then it will be true, then the condition is gone here and it's check the sheet that the bottom sheet is true, then it will automatically then show. Okay, so I will click on bottom sheet, then as we seen that bottom sheet is represented but the text are too small, then we will take in large title. Okay, so wow, this is so amazing. Let's we are not showing that any drag icon. So how will we do? So presentation drag indicator is used to use a drag indicator which will be shown on the top of the sheet. So this will be we take visible. Okay, so if you don't want to take show the drag section then you will be hidden. Otherwise you will want to show the drag section, then you will be do this visible. Okay, and on the next that we want to adjust the size of a sheet, then how will we do? This is very easy to do. So how will you do? Then press presentation dentist, and in this section we will take an array. So on click on dot, then it will gives you some suggestions that medium. Yes, I want to do this medium, and I want to take a large. So this will do medium to large. As you seen that, first of all it will be medium, then if I drag to upper side, then it will be a large. But I want to take this is height will be 100 pixel or what. As I want to take it customized size, then how I will be take this. So it was also an easy. So I take an height will be, I want to do the height will be 100 pixel. So first of all the height will be 100 pixel, then it will be go to medium, then it will go to large. I also want to do that friction this will be gone to 0.5, then it will be gone to 0.5, then medium, then large. As you seen that there is a minimal difference that's shown that as I do this 0.9, then it will be gone in 0.9, and then it will be gone on large. So that's how we will make in a customized bottom sheet. So let's meet in next video.